Struggling to find your Wise routing number for wire transfers? Here's exactly where to click to get it in seconds. So here's the situation. You need to send or receive money through Wise, but when you go to fill in those bank details, you hit a wall. Where's the routing number? You know, the one for wire transfers or ACH payments. It's not obviously sitting there in your main account view, and that can be super frustrating, especially when you're on a deadline and a payment fails because you guessed the wrong number. I'll show you the exact steps. Click your main account, select USD, then the account number, and you'll see the routing number. That's it. 4 clicks, maybe less than a minute. So let me walk you through it right now on the actual platform so you can see exactly what I mean. Start by logging into your Wise account, obviously. Once you're in, you'll see your main account overview. This is the screen that shows your balances for different currencies. Now, the routing number is specifically for your US dollar account within Wise. So the first thing you need to do is click on your main account area. It's usually at the top left of the screen, and it might say something like balances or just show your total amount. Just go ahead and click that. Now, next, you need to select the USD balance. Your Wise account can hold multiple currencies at the same time. US dollars, British pounds, euros, you name it. So you need to specifically click on the US dollar section. You'll see it listed there among your other currencies. Just give it a click. This opens up the detailed view for that specific currency. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Once your USD balance is open, you'll see your account details. There's going to be a line that shows your account number. It might look like a long string of numbers, and it might be partially hidden. So the next step is to click directly on that account number. Go ahead and click it. This will expand the full details for that specific US dollar account. And here's the really important part. Once the details expand, you'll see a section labeled Routing Number. And right next to it, you'll see 2 options, one for wire transfers and one for ACH. These are not the same thing, so you want to make sure you copy the right one for what you're doing. ACH is for things like direct deposits or payments between US bank accounts. It's slower, but usually free. Wire transfers are faster and usually have a fee. So just look for the routing number that matches your needs, and you're all set. And that's it. From being stuck and frustrated to finding that number in under a minute. So the next time you need your Wise routing number, just remember this path. Main account, USD, click the account number, and there it is. I hope this walkthrough saves you some time and a whole lot of headache. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your transfers.